Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm your master cosmologist. Let's pull some cards together. We will see what's up and pull it on down. I'm working with two decks, Tinseltown Tarot and the Cosmic Crossroads Oracle. One of the biggest things that we have going on today is Mars sextile Uranus. Mars is at the final degree of the zodiac, 29 degrees of Pisces, in a sextile to Uranus at the Pleiades. This is a resignation. I resign from your bullshit system. And you might feel stalled out. You might feel some big FUs. You might have a lack of drive and energy to throw into the same old, same old. This also is no more brown nosing and kowtowing to the like you've paid your dues to the dirt, essentially. No more kowtowing to that system and kissing their behind. I've got the Queen of Swords on the bottom of the deck here. Actually, she's quite heroic and speaking to me, so I'll begin there. Queen of Swords, it kind of has a Venus quality to it. Venus just left the quintessential degree of Taurus, 10 degrees of Taurus, where so Venus is the ruler of Libra. Imagine Libran qualities at the quintessential degree of Taurus. This is definitely no bullshit. It's knowing her worth. It's this rearrangement of, oh, you treated me like trash. Little did you know. Little did you know who I really am. Sun is also at a quintessential degree of Aries, 18 that's a 9, so that's mastery Aries energy there. I feel like she's the Amazonian warrior blazing into Aries. Mars is kind of, I'm seeing it like this, laying the sword down, where the masculine isn't the warrior energy any longer, nor is it aggression, aggressive, combative. It's shield maidens. There we go. We have shield maidens stepping on deck today. I like that so much. What else? The Empress. Oh, HBIC. I get that as Venus. Venus is the head shield maiden. She's the one who's leading the rest of the crew. And she's in front of paradise. That's all she will tolerate. No more bullshit, no more destruction, no more polluting the planet. Like, no. You guys are not in charge here anymore, you P words. 29 degree Taurus. They get a glowing PR image, but they ain't so shiny, let's just say. They're a little bit, well, all right, I won't talk smack. I heard not to talk smack. 7 of Cups. Look at the service. Look at the service to her. It's a total 180 of who's serving who. The masculine has finally done its acquiescence of power. No one man should have all that power. No one man should have all that power, especially when they're psychotic, right? That's Kanye, by the way. Oracle card, shame. From shame to fame. This is Venus's glow up now. She's gotten to the quintessential degree of Taurus. She's pulled herself out of the mud. She's cleaned herself off. She is this. She is this. She is radiant. She is sparkling. She's a brand new woman. Self-made. From shame to fame. Where are we going? All right, what else does the collective need to know? The Hermit. From shame to fame. From hiding. From not having the spotlight on her. From... This is an interesting vantage point, isn't it? Like peering into Weirdoville and seeing what's going on in there. It wasn't by accident that I pulled the deck that I did. Holy weird, holy weird. It's about to get holy weird up in here because everything has to be everted to the light. You can see that she's holding a spotlight. So she's shining that spotlight into some dank places, and that's going to make the dank ones, the nefarious ones, squirm and have to evert to the light, crawl out to the light. Shame on you. Shame on you. What did you do? This is a big karmic clapback today with the sextile of Mars and Uranus. It's a big boomerang. Justin Timberlake. What goes around comes around. What goes around comes around. It's also a rank and file. I'm seeing a rank and file taking place behind my, I would say behind my eyelids, but they're not closed, but it feels like I have a screen here and I'm seeing soldiers lining up, rank and file. It's the Shield Maiden energy, getting ready to cross the line. It's like storming Normandy, storming the beach. Mars into Aries. The troops are lining up. Toes on the front line. Toes on the front line. Spiritual warriors. Am I to get another card here? Yes. The High Priestess. Ta-da! 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 What I get here with the High Priestess actually is this glow up of the feminine. It's cool. On this deck, she's wearing a horned crown, which would be Venus in Taurus. And spotlight. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. This is a feminine glow up. This is a... This is also an ability to lead the troops, so to speak, from a passive, that's not even how I want to say it. Hands off, no force, leading by example kind of way. Even-handedness. She's got two hands grasping each of those curtains. That would symbolically represent the North Node at the gate of even-handedness today. All right, let's see. Where else are we going? I'm to get another Cosmic Crossroads card, and I think call it good. Expansion. It's a beautiful card. That is 100% Venus. I'm sorry, not Venus. Well, okay. Yes, it is Venus. It's Venus, but it's because of the action, the cause and effect of Jupiter in Cancer expansion. Oh, wow. It's number 16 too, which is the exact degree that Jupiter's at, actually. What I get here too with the fungus, with the mushrooms there coming out of the moss, is it's not blooming. It's not popping up. It's those things, but there's a better word for it. Sprouting. It's not sprouting. I don't even know what I'm trying to say here, but it's popping up from the ground. A resurrection type of energy. When Mars crosses over, pop, 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 pop. All of these ones that were hidden in hermit mode, stalled out, begin to pop on scene. And don't you know their wings be out too? They are in touch with the cosmos and the earth, and they have a job to do to create this paradise. 1111, beautiful. Actually, I'm going to end it there just because that was 1111 and Venus is at 11 degrees of Taurus. Feels like getting into integrity with being a badass boss bitch to run Eden and to create paradise on earth. Boom. All right, I'll see you on another one. Bye.